Well, folks, welcome back to the channel. Gonna get the sprayer hooked up on the four-wheeler here. Gotta go and spray the corn. Still hot and dry. We hadn't got any rain about anything. But calling for a pretty good chance of that storm coming up the Gulf this weekend, in the latter part of the week. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get it sprayed, get them weeds knocked back. I'm gonna wash it off while I got the water hose out, right? This is a 94 model Yamaha Big Bear. Ever seen one that good in shape? Lasts a long time if you take care of. All right, let's head to the farm. I'd say it needs spraying. What do you think? I've fought cockleburs on this farm ever since I've owned it, and I cannot get rid of them. I have to spray them every year. As you can see, I got a decent stand of corn. It ain't great, but it's pretty good for the way I broadcasted it. But man, it needs water bad. I really hope we get some of that rain this weekend. Anyway, let's get after it. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this corn spray. Wrap this one up, I guess. Stay tuned for the next one. I don't know what the next one will be, but we'll figure out something. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Leave me a comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right. as always, everybody's had a great day. Everybody has a great week. God bless. Let's pray for rain.